Let's discuss on how to ensure supply chain resilience in manufacturing industry. 1. Diversifying supplier base. Having multiple suppliers for critical components helps reduce the impact of supply disruptions. This can involve working with multiple suppliers for each component, or having a backup supplier in case of disruptions. For business operations activities, this may involve setting up contracts with multiple suppliers and maintaining good relationships with each of them. The key persona involved in this would be procurement and supply chain managers. Related IT software customizations. Details may include implementing a supplier management system that tracks supplier performance and enables easy communication with multiple suppliers. 2. Developing risk management strategies. Identifying potential risks and developing mitigation strategies can help prevent supply chain disruptions. This involves assessing the potential risks to the supply chain and developing contingency plans to address them. For business operations activities, this may involve conducting regular risk assessments and implementing risk management protocols. The key persona involved in this would be risk management and supply chain managers. Related IT software customizations. Details may include implementing a risk management system that tracks potential risks and enables quick response to disruptions. 3. Building strong relationships with suppliers. Good relationships with suppliers can lead to better communication and collaboration during a crisis. This involves establishing strong relationships with suppliers and maintaining open communication channels. For business operations activities, this may involve regular communication with suppliers and collaboration on continuous improvement initiatives. The key persona involved in this would be procurement and supply chain managers. Related IT software customizations. Details may include implementing a supplier relationship management system that facilitates communication and collaboration with suppliers. 4. Implementing real-time visibility systems. Having real-time visibility into the supply chain helps to quickly identify and respond to disruptions. This involves implementing software systems that provide real-time visibility into the supply chain, including inventory levels, production status, and shipping information. For business operations activities, this may involve implementing supply chain visibility software and monitoring the system regularly. The key persona involved in this would be supply chain managers and IT specialists. Related IT software customizations. Details may include implementing a supply chain visibility system that integrates with other systems and provides real-time data updates. 5. Implementing contingency plans. Having a contingency plan in place can help quickly respond to supply chain disruptions and minimize the impact on operations. This involves developing plans to address potential disruptions, such as identifying alternative suppliers or developing backup production plans. For business operations activities, this may involve regularly reviewing and updating contingency plans. The key persona involved in this would be supply chain and operations managers. Related IT software customizations. Details may include implementing a contingency planning system that enables quick response to disruptions. 6. Maintaining inventory levels. Maintaining adequate inventory levels can help ensure that production is not impacted during a supply chain disruption. This involves managing inventory levels to ensure that there is enough stock to meet demand and buffer against disruptions. For business operations activities, this may involve implementing inventory management systems and conducting regular inventory audits. The key persona involved in this would be inventory and supply chain managers. Related IT software customizations. Details may include implementing an inventory management system that integrates with other systems and enables real-time inventory tracking. 7. Collaborating with other organizations. Collaborating with other organizations in the supply chain can help to quickly resolve supply chain disruptions. This involves establishing relationships with other organizations in the supply chain and collaborating on contingency planning and response efforts. For business operations activities, this may involve participating in industry associations and partnerships. The key persona involved in this would be supply chain and operations managers. Related IT software customizations. Details may include implementing a supply chain collaboration system that facilitates communication and collaboration with partner organizations. 8. Continuously monitoring and reviewing supply chain performance. Regularly monitoring and reviewing the performance of the supply chain can help identify areas for improvement and make adjustments as necessary to ensure resilience. This involves collecting and analyzing data on supply chain performance and using that information to improve processes and systems. For business operations activities, this may involve implementing supply chain performance management systems and conducting regular performance reviews. The key persona involved in this would be supply chain and operations managers. Related IT software customizations. Details may include implementing a supply chain performance management system that tracks key performance indicators and enables continuous improvement efforts. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs.